add a bit to this.
Don't worry about me, I just film in the background, and when I need to know something, I'll ask you.
Just chime in.
Where is a little fucking rodent?
Please don't film him. His words were, I haven't had a haircut.
There's a line I can't use.
I reckon you get some more subscribers.
There's always a camera pointing at you, don't worry about it. Just crack on.
The phone.
Can't even do that.
Oh yeah, that's the point.
It all started working on a series in my dad's shed. I followed my dreams and joined the Marines, serving in Afghanistan. Defenders were always part of me. So here we are, building custom machines with my awesome team in Shropshire. We are Mahker. Yep. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Dave, for those of you that do not know me. And this is my workshop and my team of guys that are currently hiding somewhere. I think it's beer o'clock. But we're getting near the end of this day, and Chris has been here filming today and captured everything that's going on. But I'm going to give you a quick insight of what's going on, so come around here, Chris. So Project Spirit that we featured in the last episode has taken massive progress. So Steph, the guy that owned this, came up and saw me the other day, and he was like, wow Dave, like, I'm loving how this car's coming together. So guys, most of you recognise this colour. This is what we painted our very first #1 Mahker car in. This is Ethos Mid Welsh Grey. This is a series colour, but with our... I'm not going to tell you what we've done to it because a few people have already copied it and I'm not very impressed about that. So for those of you who want the colour, pay me 30 grand and I'll tell you. So anyway, we've given him satin cap-ins, we've given him satin details everywhere, and it's now having a full rear soft top, front cage hoops, everything's going on it. So, and this car is going to be a one of a kind. There's no other one out there. We've gone with a 5.3, which is the LT variant, direct fuel injected, the ability to shut down the cylinders if required. So it's going to be an economical engine, you know, look after the planet and all that lot. And we've given him a brand new Marsland chassis, and this vehicle is going to be, it's a concourse build. It's immaculate, it's brand new, big brakes, our beautiful steel, banded steel wheels, Wolf wheels of course, keeping in the heritage line. And this car is flying together now. Aidan, Jeremy have been on this build since, when did I put them on it now? I think the start of this month, and they're making fantastic progress. So hats off to you boys, you're doing a nice job. And yeah, here we are, it's flying together. So keep your eyes peeled guys to all the features on social media to see this car come together. What are you showing me?
Boost. Make a lot to boost. Make a lot to boost. He's getting there, he's getting interested.
So the question is, why are so many roll cages attached to the aluminium tub rather than cut through the tub and connect to the chassis? What am I missing? Because surely the energy is sent through the tub rather than the chassis.
Well, no, because you've got your chassis brackets that go from the chassis underneath to meet the aluminium tub, and it just sandwiches through. You can't see it, but it is underneath. I mean, there is some somewhere. But yeah, it will transfer it all through the chassis, and it just sandwiches through the body, and it all sort of goes everywhere. But, yeah.
Which one's which on this one?
Huh?
Seeing as you made it, you should know. No, you didn't make these ones, did you?
I did. Well, I've definitely.
Oh, what happened there?
Oh, they didn't weld that bit.
There you go. Do the explaining thing.
Right. That'll go up to underneath of the wing and down to an outrigger underneath. That's the bit where your front hoop will come up and over the windscreen. And then, what else we got? That's seat box. So that'll go from the floor, seat box, and that'll go up, and you can have like bulkhead removal bars coming in off of that. That is a rear chassis bracket that'll go from rear cross member up and into the rear hoop, and that'll just sort of mount up on sort of behind the back bumper. And then yeah, it all sort of goes through chassis then and not the body.
So even though on the video it looked like we were connecting it to the body, really?
Underneath it's all coming back to the chassis.
Like say we've got the body here, so you'll see the top bit that you can see that mounts the body, and it looks like it stops there, but it doesn't, because you've got a piece that comes up below it. So all we're doing is sandwiching the body between the two bits of structural support. So the body doesn't take the brunt of the force, the cage does.
Sam, we've had a question on the YouTube. I think it's from an Aussie. What engine would you swap into a TD5 130 if you were in Australia?
Don't touch it.
Yeah, just keep it TD5, preferably a 15p, or rip it out and put Ford Bauer in it.
Well, this is the Santana that we've got in for a 330D engine conversion. I can't remember what engine it used to have in it, but I think it's some sort of Isuzu thing, don't quote me. But to fit it in, we've had to make some engine mounts up in here, so it'll all sit nicely. And then we've had to notch the cross member for the prop, so that comes through and doesn't hit anything when it's all articulating. All brand new stainless exhaust, all made to fit round it. Some new mounts at transfer box, Landrover transfer box, and yeah, just full stainless system all the way back that just sort of fits everything that's not Land Rover really, because they look like Land Rovers but they're not underneath. I think it's more related to what are they related to these? Are they a Ford Iveco thing or something?
It came with an Isuzu engine in it.
Yeah, but they're like an Iveco, aren't they, pickle?
Yeah. It's very similar. They use bits and bobs from all over the place.
Yeah.
And it's steel, it's not aluminium. It's steel and fiberglass rather than being aluminium.
Yeah. Cool.
Ooh, baby, on the track, I'm going vroom, vroom. Try and catch me when I pull up in that zoom, zoom. Oh, no, please don't make that call. You don't want no cars, they ain't ready for the call.
He's the master at hanging doors.
Yeah, you can tie it. Because those ones, they don't move.
Looking for some more, and my Rari going roar.
Take Diddy. I'm the tall man. I can't be Diddy. Oh God.
The referee, curb, yeah, I'm turning left now. Burn, yeah, the rubber's on my chest now. First, no, you're not the first one. They done told me I'm the worst one. Yeah.
Oh, I like the lighting. It's like really cinematic.
Oh hell.
Where's Sam?
I'm supervising.
Right, well, we're making some boost pipes for the Santana. Yeah, we're going from the BMW plastic intake plenum, and then we're going to what usually goes in the Land Rovers for the 330 conversions, but it's in a different spot, so we're just sort of making some nice tubes to make it look sort of like it's meant to be.
How's his welding, Sam? How's his welding?
It'll do. No, it's great. It's just as it should be.
I wanted you in it. It's you supervising.
So what you see here, guys, this is my 400 horsepower BMW M57n kit. So this is, as you see here, there's my billet adapter, there's my clutch kit in there that will take the power. I proved this on the dyno recently. I pushed my Defender to 820 Newton meters, so dirty 130, as you saw in the videos, kicked arse on the dyno, made the massive torque figure for a straight 6, 3 litre truck. So here we've gone with the stage 2 Winchester transfer case. This is, for those of you who don't know it, it's a Mustang Stage 2 MT82 gearbox. That will take the pain, it will take the gear selects, and everything you can throw at it, guys. So we are making Ford components strong. Well, Tom at Winchester Gears is. So don't order it from him, order it from me, right? Because his order book's getting bigger, and I don't want that to happen. We've strapped a big turbo to this engine. This is a VNT turbo, Stage 2. It delivers the goods, guys. So we have ordered them thick and fast to make this happen.
Yeah.
You featured these at all or not?
I think I've done some cutaways, yeah.
Okay. So what you see here is a heavy duty axle kit with our heavy duty brake kit. So this is my extreme 18-inch kit. These are radical rears and these are my heavy duty fronts. So these axles are going to go on Adam Poser's truck. So a local guy of ours, and he wants to build a heavy duty 130 with a Cummins in. I did say that, a Cummins. So it's going to be heavy duty, super reliable, manual fuel pump, work donkey, that can stop quick, haul quick, and drag anything that he puts behind it, because he makes big concrete shutters for big industrial buildings like the one we work in. So that's going to be a very interesting truck. We've gone pretty strong on these axles, so we hope them serve him well. Yeah?
Yep.
So for those of you that know what this vehicle is, this has been featured on a couple of our episodes, but we pulled it back in from storage because we've had the engine mounts that Tom's fabricated this week. Tom is our new guy, so he's getting the new treatment and the new abuse. He's made this beautiful 3-inch turbo back system, but come up here. So what we've done here is, Tom's been busy this week fabricating the mounts for this cooling system. So this is the cooling system that normally drops into a Puma. But of course, this car is very different because this is not a Puma. This is a Santana, however you want to say it. So this is our extreme cooling kit that we offer on the market for £1,550 to anybody that would like to purchase one. But there's a few little mods that we've been making. So Tom's made this inlet pipe here to help get the air from our cooling kit to the inlet. So we can make anything happen, guys. It's just a case of cost and in between jobs. So if you like what we've got here, get in touch and we can make your Santana 250 horsepower. But have you seen this, before I forget? So for those of you that love the Unimogs, take a look in here. That's a Cummins 6BT, 5.9 litre 12 valve engine, crammed into a Unimog Doka. But this chassis is not a normal Unimog chassis. This is a GMC Tavern chassis, heavy duty, military spec, and this truck is going to be fun. It's going to be, I don't know, it's going to be unique, and I hope the customer loves it as much as we've loved building it, because it's going to be a unique beast. It's on 40-inch trapdoors. Let's get that right before someone corrects me. And who thinks that's going to be fun?
So what are you thinking about for this one then? LS3, lift it?
Yeah, easy.
Four-wheel drive? Yes, tell me about what work have you done on this one then, guys?
Yep. Anyway guys, thanks for watching this episode. Please drop down below and subscribe if you haven't already. I really want to get my likes and my subscribers up because we really want to make this channel start earning its keep like it needs to. But anyway, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye bye.